Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
My name is Dustin. It's a 2000 Dodge Ram. I got 415s, Ascendant audio, 8K. I got 210s, 2.8s, 2.6s. They're not running right now.
Okay.
Other than that, just a flat wall. Nothing great.
Did you build all this?
Me and my boy did.
Really?
All the
awesome. Okay, yeah. Sweet. Do you know the tuning and what it's metering and all of that?
We're still in the process. It ain't been tuned yet.
You haven't? Okay. So you just put it together and finish it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how much, what's the wire, the amp's wired to?
It's a one Taramps 8K.
Yeah.
It's wired, it's all down to 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. So 4 subs, 1, okay.
Yeah.
I like the fur, dude. I bet you that looks cool when it flexes. Yeah, I'm about to see.
It's pretty decent. It's not bad. I don't have the right power yet, but.
Okay. What's your electrical like? Alternator and batteries?
Stock alternator and 3 group 31s.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, it's not terrible, man. But it does what it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. I appreciate it. Thanks for the demo. Nice. Thanks for watching too. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Drop in Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.